Gosh, dude. Okay, we're gonna literally do the best video ever. This is about how CPA marketing works. So, CPA marketing, a step-by-step guide for beginners, a bunch of free tips for you. So, we're gonna dive in here. We're gonna talk about CPA marketing. CPA marketing making a lot of money. Like, look, I am laying in my bed. The sheets are like just printed money and stuff, but it's kind of funny. Okay, so we're gonna dive in, and if you see behind me, it says money never sleeps, and that's true. Especially if you set up a business that can make a lot of money, you're set. Okay. If we look right here, you could see these are the different types of like offers you could do in CPA marketing. Okay, you can do email submit offers, you could do zip submit offers, you can do multiple field submit offers, and you can do free trial CPA offers. So, okay. EPC is basically your earnings per click. So based off how many clicks you really get, guys, you just divide that by how much money you made. That's the EPC, and they usually divide that by the whole network. Okay, so it's very important how to become an expert from a newbie in CPA marketing. So there are super affiliates. I'm a super affiliate. You probably watch a lot of gurus out there that are super affiliates. I can tell you right now, if you want to become a super affiliate, you just need to master how to get traffic. Okay, and I don't care if you get 100 clicks a day or even like 10 clicks a day. If you are, I repeat, if you are getting clicks, you win. Okay, you freaking win. Get a network, get a niche, and go ahead and promote the best converting offers in that niche. Okay, very important. CPA network, level tactics, be in touch with your affiliate managers, a very important thing in CPA marketing. You want to have good landing pages that actually convert, obviously, and then you're going to want to read term and condition of the CPA offer. So CPA offers can say, okay, certain demographics not allowed. Okay, certain type of traffic source is not allowed. These are important things to just be aware of for your strategy of promoting the offer. And a lot of times, guys, on the front end of whatever you're building, you're going to want to pick a really good offer because you're most times going to really like promote one offer like the most out of all of them. So this is very important. Okay, when you go onto a CPA network, you pick one really good offer, whatever vertical you want to do. It doesn't matter. It better be high converting. And then you put it in your funnel, opt-in funnel. I do that for people. Like most of my time is like building funnels now, and then I make videos on the side and run my campaigns on the side. Like making funnels takes time. Okay, so I'm building you guys some crazy funnels. I've had, I don't know how many, 50 clients so far. It's freaking crazy. So go ahead and join the movement in a way. Like everyone's making money, bro. Like these funnels, and I even tell you how to promote it and how to get traffic, everything. You don't have to use Facebook ads. You don't have to do anything. You just need to pick any traffic source that I recommend to you, that I educate you on. Okay, so at the end of the done for you serve. So, and I also have the courses and stuff, but I'm telling you right now, CPA marketing can make you guys tons of money. Just understand this, okay? For if you put in $1 in advertising, okay, and you made back $2 to $3, I'm telling you right now, bro, you could be rich, okay? And that's just the whole process. So when you build a funnel, or if I build a funnel for you, that's all that's happening is you're building a system that you put $1 into, okay, and you make back $2 to literally $5, okay, every single freaking time you invest. It's freaking crazy, okay? And the higher your budget, the faster you can scale, the more money you can make, the better everything is, okay? So this is huge. And then to explain one more thing is if you guys are doing Facebook ads, yeah, you could get banned and all that can happen, but it's unlikely if you do certain strategies I teach, like putting offers that are not really allowed, like our gray hat, put in your back end of your freaking funnel. I'm telling you right now, putting that in the back end allows them not to see what's happening. Heck, you can put adult offers in your back end that are high converting. That's super, super powerful. Check this out real quick. Mindset is everything. I'm telling you guys. That is a fish with a shark fin, okay? So he thinks he's a shark, but he's got the mindset, okay? So that's really powerful. And guys, let me keep scrolling down here and explaining some stuff. Okay, as you can see here, how to find high converting CPA offer and CPA networks. If you want to find a high converting offer, guys, all you got to do is literally you can ask your affiliate manager, or you can go ahead and sort by EPC for that niche, and you can find the ones that are actually making the most money. Because if it's showing an EPC, that means people are promoting it. And if it has a high EPC, it means people are making a lot of money per click, basically. And in marketing, EPC is very important, and it's very important to know your numbers. If you ever talk to a billionaire, the conversation, or even millionaire, the conversation will always go back to numbers, because numbers is everything. Okay, I'm telling you. Now, the next thing here, look, this is CPA hot converting offer examples. Now, I promote a ton of the iPhone 11 offer on Max Bounty. I promote just a ton of literally Apple product offers, and then cash giveaway offers, and never really niche specific offers like Bed and Bath and Beyond or something like that. PlayStation can be good, but it is kind of niche specific in a way, but it is still kind of broad, so it's good. Grocery gift card, very good. Winning a trip is a very good one too. Let's see. Bro, okay, let's see. Here's a bad offer, okay? This one's most likely not mobile optimized, same with this one. I mean, and there's no incentive to opt in, okay? It is a good offer. Now, it is a good offer if this. So this is my input here as a super affiliate. What I would say about that is this one, for example, it's all about the pre-selling of their mind beforehand, okay? Whatever you say before they go to the page can actually influence what they do on the page. So if you make a pre-sale page of you in a video talking about it, or maybe a YouTube video you find that's story selling them on that thing, that's huge, okay? Because it gets them into the mindset to convert on it. It creates more desire. Your landing page or pre-sale page needs to basically get them in the mindset to want to convert. This is so important. I cannot stress it enough, okay? This is good lighting right here, okay? This is good. Okay. Reason why I call them bad CPA offer examples, well, this is why they say that, is because of bad hook and headline, bad font, too much and irrelevant content, and then bad design and bad color combination, okay? At the end of the day, what makes an offer really bad is the offer in the offer, okay? So the offer the advertiser's actually giving people, that can actually cause it bad. There's a bunch of different types of marketing, guys. You can pause the video and just look at that right there. There's a bunch of different advertising there. If I scroll down here, how to create high converting and perfect, I mean perfect landing pages is by creating a high converting landing page. You will get opportunity to add mini squeeze page, which will grow your email faster. Okay, so basically, if you guys really want to just have a crazy high converting landing page, sure, put a girl in bikini in the landing page. But another way is obviously offer a lot of good stuff in exchange for their email. Okay, this is very effective. The other thing is intense curiosity. You can add curiosity factors. They don't know what they're going to get, but they know it's good. So you could give a bunch of great free stuff, and then also say get a bunch of unexpected bonuses or just super valuable bonuses. We won't show you them or tell you them now, but get them on the inside or something like that, okay? That creates curiosity, and that's an example of curiosity. That's not a way you should all do it. You should be really creative in life. You should really come up with your own ideas based off the knowledge you currently have. This is powerful. Okay, so if we go over here, I'm trying to scroll down here, perfect. These are pretty good landing pages if they have good pre-sales. Next is thumb rule for any perfect landing pages is, rule of thumb is what they should have said. That's funny. Man, this person wrote out a lot of typos for some reason. Just simple design, must have a mini squeeze forms in the landing page, always redirect users and all that. Guys, pause the video and read that for yourself of the tips they give for the perfect landing page. But I can tell you right now, a perfect landing page has really good offers and it has pretty good design. It doesn't need to have insane design. A really good landing page can also have a VSL, okay? A video sales letter, okay? Just a video of someone talking and saying what it's all about, whatever the offer is. That's a good rule of thumb for a perfect landing page, okay? And you can read what they have there. I'm not going to read it. And then conclusion in the bullet points is that, and you guys can pause the video to read that. But most of all, like, comment, subscribe. You know the drill. And go ahead and go check out the courses. They're the most valuable courses out there. I throw in tons of bonus courses too. For the price of $100, which is most of my courses, you're getting literally just, I don't know, like $30,000 worth of value. It's insane. And yeah, those numbers are backed up because the courses and knowledge inside is worth thousands and thousands each. Okay, so it's insane. You're getting intense value, and the strategies work and they're proven. And I make money with them. I mean, everyone makes money with them. And you're going to learn some very top secret stuff. And if you want to just get all my courses, you can get the mega bundle. That's linked down below. And if you want me to build a funnel for you, go ahead and get the done for you funnel. And then we talk after that. Or if you want to ask any questions about it, you can ask me. But it's literally the best service out there. And then you can get the mentorship if you want. And I work one-on-one with you, and I build you literally a six-figure business. Okay, this is powerful stuff. This is next level stuff. So if you're excited, go ahead, smash that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next videos. And peace freaking